We're on Brookside, looking westerly.
North. Westerly north.
No, westerly, and we're seeing the water flowing over to the gazebo, and then from the gazebo it goes back to our retention pond. Very interesting. Our subdivision is full of water. And that happened before, but I believe this time is worse. It seems to be higher elevation because Barr Rd is higher and it's flooded all the way across. Before it was just not all the way across, about a quarter of a mile. Now it's almost a whole mile. It's amazing.
You can't even get through.
No,
go,
this.
go around there and look at there.
Yeah.
That low